For under £12, I've got the perfect January recipe for you. My Za'atar roasted cauliflower with Herby couscous. So much colour, so much flavour, and it's full of the good stuff. Chop it in half and just click off the florets. Add your select farm cauliflower to a tray. Now onto the Za'atar. That's a blend of sesame seeds, sumac, herbs and spices. It'll give a lovely kick. Now in we go to a hot oven for about half an hour until it's tender and caramelised. Just give the peppers a nice rough chop and make sure you save the oil. Let's add our chopped red peppers and onion to the bowl, and now we just pour in that piping hot stock. We give it a stir, then just cover it with a plate. Now it's off with a plate and in with our chickpeas, some chopped parsley, lemon juice and a good drizzle of that oil from the peppers. And there you go, look at that, my Za'atar roasted cauliflower, Herby fragrant couscous, tamarind chilli ketchup and a yoghurt sauce. Perfect for January. Over to you.